Hello my YouTube friend, this is Not Mechanic here, and today I'm going to be installing the bumper bracket on my 1998 Dodge Grand Caravan. This is what holds the bumper reinforcement. These things are hard to find, so today I'm going to show you how to install it. And all you're going to need is a 19mm socket. That's what I'm going to be using with an impact gun. And in case you are looking for the bolt size, they are 12mm dash 1.75 by 30mm. What I'll do, I will put it in the screen. Now these bumper brackets go right in here. Right in there, I'm going to get you closer. There's two holes in there. And all you're going to do is you're going to slide this right in. And you see it has the nuts already welded on the bumper bracket. And all we're going to do is find those two holes and connect these bolts right in there. So let me get you close so I can show you the two holes. Then we're going to go under and install them. So here we go. These are the holes there. We are not worrying about the one in the middle. That's that big one. What we're worrying about is the one in the front and the one in the back. So when you put the bracket, you want to line them up with those holes in there. Also, what I want you to notice, that these bumper brackets come labeled as right. I don't know if you can see that. And it also comes labeled as a left. So make sure when you install them in the correct order. I forgot to mention, make sure you put some washers on your bowls. So what we're going to do is we're going to line up the bumper bracket, and we're also going to push it a little down. And we're going to put them in, screw them in with the hands first. Take the other one also. Make sure you put the bumper bracket down. There it goes. Now I'm going to be using the impact gun with my 19mm socket. Oh yeah, it's holding tight. So now what we're going to do is, we're going to do the other side. Here we are on the other side. I wasn't able to find my other bowls, the same ones I use in that side. I don't know what I did with them. I can't find them nowhere. But anyway, we're going to do the same thing we did. We're going to hold this down. And we're going to screw them in by hand. Make sure you put them by hand. And these are a little different. I'm using a 14mm socket. So then we're going to do the other one. Go. They hold it nice and tight. Now let's go see how it looks in the front. So this is how they look installed. They're looking good. That one right there is a little crooked. I'll make some adjustments on that. That's where the impact was at. But as you can see, I'm almost finished this 1998 Dodge Grand Caravan. So once again, this is Not Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below. or contact me on nowmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nowmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Now Mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.